Hello, my name is Ron Kaley, and I am a senior manager in the State and Local Tax Department here at Eckelbarger, Heimbach, Tam and Company. And as you well know, there have been many changes to our corporate taxation or business entity taxation over the past 4 years. We transitioned from the Michigan single business tax back in 2008 to the Michigan business tax. And now effective the 1st of 2012, we've transitioned into the corporate income tax, which is a much simpler tax and is more easily managed, but it does leave with it some issues. One of the issues happens to surround flow-through entity withholding, which is brand new to taxpayers in the state of Michigan. And flow-through entity withholding really comes up in a couple of different situations. If you have a C corporation who is a member of a flow-through entity, the potential is that there would be required withholding, or if we have a non-resident individual, meaning of the state of Michigan, who is an owner in a flow-through entity. There is no bright line, so to speak, for the non-resident individual, meaning to the extent that they have income that would be attributable to Michigan, and they are an owner, they would likely have a filing requirement in the state of Michigan, and therefore the flow-through entity would be required to withhold on their behalf. Now that's not really brand new to us, but it's really come to the forefront again because of other changes that have happened. And the other side is the requirement to withhold the flow-through entity to withhold on C Corp income, so on a C Corp member. Meaning, for instance, I have a flow-through entity which is either a partnership or an S corporation, has a C corporation member, has business activity in Michigan, where that business activity exceeds $200,000 for the year, there is a requirement to withhold. Now, there is an exemption certificate that can be filed by the C corporation with its flow-through entity member. However, unless that exemption certificate is filed, then there would be a required withholding on behalf of the C corporation by that flow-through entity. So things to think about, and whether or not you have had a chance to go through those flow-through entities to determine, have the exemption certificates been received? In fact, they probably haven't been, because to my knowledge the state hasn't issued those exemption certificates yet. So what you want to think about is, A, let's look for those forms as they come out, and then B, if that exemption certificate is not filed with the flow-through entity on behalf of the C corporation, then really that flow-through entity should have been withholding if that business activity is more than $200,000. If you have questions or concerns, you're always welcome to call me or email me. My email address is ronk@ehtc.com, or the EHTC phone number is 616-575-3482. I'm happy to discuss the requirements with you. Thank you.